Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ and today's video is a Becauseracecarbox unboxing. Now here is the latest Becauseracecarbox. Let's have a look at what we got inside. So as always, we've got the card, the picture card, and today we've got have a look at me without my glasses on. Got a M240i, quite a smart M240i actually. And then obviously all the stuff inside, which we'll get to in a minute. So as well, we've got a Becauseracecarbox. Don't forget to tag us and stuff to get featured and stuff. I do that anyway. We've got a couple of stickers with Becauseracecarbox on it. Always nice to have. Oh yeah, this looks like a really good one actually. So we start off with the actual products. We've got a lanyard with Becauseracecarbox on it. Very nice. Now I do, in fact, I am looking at the moment, because obviously I'm looking to put out my own clothing brand with MCJ on it. And if anyone doesn't know what MCJ stands for, it means Modified Car Junkie. It was a club that I set up for car people. Obviously I'm now a rep for Static Rides instead, after I gave up that club because I didn't really want to run it anymore. So yeah, I am looking at making MCJ lanyards and stuff and hoodies and stuff, but obviously it takes a little while to set stuff up like that. So if you bear with me, they will be out and I'll let you know as soon as they're coming out. Now obviously we've got the top of the spray bottles, as we normally get sent with Auto Finesse products and stuff. I don't know whether there's any Auto Finesse products in here this time, but it's always handy to have these spray gun tops. Now, as in all of them, you get some air fresheners. I think there's this one. Yeah, one air freshener with Becauseracecarbox on it, turbo air freshener. Can't smell it yet. I'm still using this one from the last Becauseracecarbox, the is it Detail Master? Yeah, the Detail Master one. It lasts for ages and it smells so nice. So that's the review on that. It's really nice. Now another product, Poor Boys World Black Hole. So show glaze for dark coloured vehicles, hide swirl marks, high gloss and slick finish. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a glaze for dark coloured vehicles. So obviously this isn't really a dark coloured vehicle, but I do have friends that have dark coloured vehicles like the Golf that you saw before. So I'll be using some of that and we'll test out what it looks like and how it performs. Next product is, Jesus, a Japanese product. I can't really see what that says. There you go, if it'll focus. Not really sure on what that says. It says it's a creamy shampoo of some sort. Is some Nanolex glass cleaner. There you go, have a look, made in Germany. Don't know why it's not focusing correctly. There you go, you can see it a bit more better now. Yeah, made in Germany. It was developed specifically for automotive glass. Next is One Wax Quick One Detailer, also made in Germany. Have a look, One Wax. It's not focusing very well, I don't understand why, but still. Shake well, spray quick one on a clean and lightly soiled surface, and wipe the sprayed surface with a microfiber cloth until all residue is completely gone. With most detailing products, guys, if it's really, really sunny out, it's not a great time to clean your car and detail it. Obviously, because all these aren't supposed to be used on hot surfaces and it'll just evaporate straight away, so you won't actually get the benefits of using the detailing products. And then last but not least, guys, we have Detailed Online Premium Products. Natural dressing, gives a natural finish, kind of like show shine kind of thing, with Detailed Online products. Looks really nice actually, well presented bottle and stuff. detailedonline.co.uk, make sure you hit them up. All the products, obviously, I always say in these videos whether it's good value for money. And today, as of all times that I've always had them, it really does look like you're getting best value for money now. The stickers, we've got 4 or 5 bottles of product. 5 bottles of product. Becauseracecarbox lanyard, Becauseracecarbox turbo air freshener, wait to tag them. Got the 2 extensions for the bottles, the spray bottles, and we've also got the stickers and the tag card. Now it says on here, so the Japan one is soft 99 creamy shampoo from Japan, obviously. Natural shampoo has superb cleaning properties, I've already said that. So that's from Soft 99. Then we've got the Nanolex glass cleaner from Germany. Poor Boys World black hole glaze from the USA. Then we've got One Wax Quick One Detailer from Germany. And from the UK, we've got the Detailed Online Natural Interior Dressing. Oh, so it's in for an interior dressing, is it? Didn't actually say that on it. It just says natural dressing, gives a natural finish. Doesn't say anything about the interior. But apparently it's an interior dressing. So there you go. So obviously it's perfect value for money, guys. It's always a good one. So yeah, this has been the first one that I've done in about 2 months because I stopped my subscription for a while, just while I focused on getting my money on different things for the car and such, with the fuel pump going and all that. So if you like the video, guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell notification underneath, and then press the all on it, because sometimes it just says personalized and it only sends you a couple of videos from my feed, and to get all the videos then just press on all. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.